Hi Rick, this is Neil out here in California. Here's a couple of those gravel shields, and hopefully, let me see if this helps why I was confused on whether or not I had the parts. You're looking for a radio. I have parts here. Somewhere is the automatic shifters are back there. Plenty of parts here. You're asking about tail lights. Okay, I've got a couple of those. Just a lot of parts here that I've collected over the years. Got electric motors. The shifter is back here somewhere. As you can see, I'm not organized. But yeah, I'll get the list. Give me a list for your 55 and pull some parts and work out a deal. All right, thank you.